Located in Africa continent. I am the longest river in the world. My length is 6,650 kilometers.
My name is Amazon River. I am located in South America continent. I am the largest river in the world. My length is 6,400 kilometers.
My name is Yangtze River. I am located Asia continent. I am third longest river in the world. My length is 6,300 kilometers.
My name is Mississippi Missouri River. I am located in North America continent. My length is 5,969 kilometers.
My name is Volga River. I am located in Europe continent. My length is 3,530 kilometers.
My name is Muri Darling River. I am located in Australia continent. My length is 3,700 kilometers.
My name is Janakshi River. I am located in Antarctica continent. My length is 32 kilometers. Thank you.